So in continuing on our concrete 3D printer journey, you can see behind me the folks are getting things set up for a run. Today's a little bit more interesting than normal because we're right at freezing temperatures. So we're going to kind of work with the curing time, maybe some additives that go in with the printing process to actually speed up the hardening so that you can have a layer to layer compression and allow you to actually print taller things. And also another learning lesson with all of these situations is keeping track of the process, all the parts and everything. Things get moved around, so we had a few delays associated with that. Now we're about ready to go. The other thing that we're working on with this thing is the vibration on the actual silo itself to make sure that the powder is flowing uniformly down into the MTech or the mixer system. So again, just a lot of things that go into the process and a lot of things that you just have to keep account for in your overall 3D printing. Temperature, of course, being one of them. So we'll see how it actually works out today. As always, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll have some great stuff for you to see later on. We'll see you.